My name is Eun Sung Kan. I'm currently an associate professor at Texas A&M AgriLife Research Center. And I'm also faculty in biological agriculture engineering at Texas A&M University. Chemical fertilizer and their manual application to the field often generate a lot of greenhouse gas, which is one of the problems in agriculture. So biochar is amended the field. Essentially, it can influence on soil physical, chemical, biological property, which is important for controlling greenhouse gas. First, when biochar is amended soil, it can generate higher porosity. And then high porosity allowed air and oxygen to access bacteria in the soil so that the methane and N2O in the soil is further oxidized to oxidized form of carbon and also nitrate and even nitrogen. So in this mechanism, we can minimize production of methane and N2O. Also, the biochar in soil make effective adsorption of methane, CO2, and N2O gas so that we minimize releasing greenhouse gas from the field. Some biochar having high alkalinity and mineral can interact with soil bacteria and then inhibit the biological activity to produce greenhouse gas from the field. So using the physical, chemical, biological property of soil with biochar, we can actually reduce greenhouse gas emission from the field with biochar. Biochar can make a contribution to reaching the net zero emission in agriculture using several mechanisms. Number one is we can convert dairy manure and agricultural waste into biochar so that we can actually minimize production of the greenhouse gas from the dairy manure and crop residue when they land applied. And second thing is the biochar made from dairy manure and crop residue can apply to the field, especially can apply to manure applied to field, and then minimize greenhouse gas emission from the field by using several mechanisms. The final one is recently US is interested in using biochar to be fed to cow to minimize methane production from the cow. So in this manner, we can reduce a lot of greenhouse gas from the cow methane using biochar. Including those mechanisms, biochar could make a huge impact on the net zero emission in agriculture, and then could be a good catalyst to reach that goal by 2050.